Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar. My name is Balaji and I'm excited to guide you through some of the more advanced features of Zoho Sheet today.
Everyone, I'm Rohit and I'll be co-hosting today's session with Balaji. Together, we'll be showing you how to enhance your data management skills using Zoho Sheet.
Yes, Rohit. And again, so this is a three-part webinar series. In our first session, we cover the basics of Zoho Sheet, such as importing data, organizing it, data entry, data representation, and adding styles and formats. Today's session will serve as an intermediate guide, delving into some more advanced features. And in our next webinar, we'll focus on even more advanced functionalities. And don't forget, we host these Sheet webinars every third Thursday of the month. So mark your calendars for more insights and tips.
All right, let's dive into today's webinar. We'll cover three main areas today: data validation, data visualization, and data analysis in Zoho Sheet. We'll demonstrate how these features with the practical examples and discuss how you can apply them to your data sets. By end of the session, you will have a solid understanding of intermediate data management techniques in Zoho Sheet, which will help you to make more informed business decisions.
All right, so now that we have covered the agenda, let's dive into the tool that makes all of this possible, Zoho Sheet. Rohit, would you like to take it from here?
Zoho Sheet is a powerful online spreadsheet application designed to simplify data management with a variety of robust features. Whether you're a small business owner, a data analyst, or just someone who loves working with spreadsheets, Zoho Sheet has something for you.
Yes, one of the key features of Zoho Sheet is its capability for data validation. This allows users to set specific criteria for their data, ensuring that the information entered is accurate and consistent. It's particularly useful for maintaining data integrity and preventing errors right at the point of entry. Beyond data validation, Zoho Sheet also excels in insightful analysis. It offers advanced tools like pivot tables, which help you summarize and analyze large datasets quickly. And with Zia, Zoho's AI assistant, you get intelligent suggestions for formatting, charts, and even pivot tables based on your data patterns.
Also, let's not forget about dynamic visualization. Zoho Sheet allows you to create a wide range of charts, from simple bar graphs to complex race charts, enabling you to present your data in a visually appealing and easy to understand format. Plus, features like sparklines let you show your trends in your data within a single cell. In essence, Zoho Sheet empowers users to clean, organize, and present their data effectively. With its comprehensive set of features, it makes the process of making informed decisions much more easier and efficient.
Exactly. And throughout today's webinar, we'll be showing you how to leverage these features to get the most out of your data. Up next, we'll delve into data validation, exploring how to set criteria to ensure your data is both accurate and consistent. Ready, Rohit?
Ready, Balaji? Let's move on to see how data validation works in Zoho Sheet.
Let's get into the specifics of data cleaning first. One of the first steps in managing the data effectively is to ensure consistency. Rohit, can you walk us through how to fix data inconsistencies in Zoho Sheet?
Of course, Balaji. Data inconsistencies can be a common issue, especially when you're recombining data from multiple sources. For example, you might have same item listed in different formats, like USB drive in caps and USB drive all in small. This can make your data look unprofessional and lead to error in analysis. That's right. In Zoho Sheet, there's a handy feature specifically for fixing this inconsistency. Let's take a look at how it's done. First, you need to go to the data menu on the top bar and select data cleaning. From the operations drop-down, choose fix inconsistency. For this example, let's focus on the item sold column. As you can see in the GIF here, Zoho Sheet automatically identifies and corrects this inconsistency. Now, the USB drive all caps and the USB drive all small are standardized to USB drive. This ensures that your data is clean and consistent.
Exactly, Rohit. This is incredibly useful for maintaining the data integrity and ensuring that your analyses are based on accurate and standardized information. Plus, it saves a lot of manual effort.
Absolutely. Clean data is the foundation of any good analysis. With tools like this, Zoho Sheet makes it easy to maintain high quality data. And next, we'll look at how to remove duplicates to clean data further. Ready to continue, Balaji?
Yes, let's do it. On the next step in our data cleaning process.
Continuing with the data cleaning process, our next topic is removing duplicates. Balaji, can you explain how we can efficiently handle duplicates entries in Zoho Sheet?
Sure thing. Duplicates can clutter your data and lead to inaccurate analysis. Zoho Sheet offers a straightforward way to find and remove these duplicates, ensuring your data remains clean and accurate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, starting with the data menu, you can go to the data cleaning option, and under operations, you have the find duplicates button. The data cleaning tool will let you know the number of duplicate and unique values in the selected data. This is incredibly useful for datasets with repeated entries. For instance, in our example dataset with columns for salesperson and order ID, we can quickly identify and remove duplicate entries. The GIF shows exactly how to do this. As you can see, the Zoho Sheet identifies and removes duplicate entries, ensuring your data remains clean and accurate. This is a crucial step for anyone dealing with large datasets. Rohit, I guess next let's have a look at how we can fill missing values.
Missing values can disrupt your analysis in more extent, but Zoho Sheet provides a simple way to fill them. Here's how you can handle missing data effectively. First, go to the data menu, select data cleaning, and click on find missing values. You can choose a column for the tool to identify empty cells. Once that is done, Zoho Sheet offers several options to fill these missing values. You can fill all missing values with a specific value, you can use content from the previous cell, or you can even fill the cells with the most frequently occurring values in the column. For example, in our dataset, the region column has some missing values. In the GIF, we can show how to fill these cells with the default value Africa. This ensures your data is complete and ready for analysis. Having a complete dataset is crucial for any analysis and report creation. So Balaji, let's move on to sorting and custom sorting options.
Sure. Sorting your data helps you organize it in a meaningful way and making it easier to analyze. Zoho Sheet provides both traditional sorting options and more advanced custom sorting capabilities. To sort your data, select the data range and click on the sort icon. You have the traditional ascending and descending sorting options, but you can also apply custom sorting. For instance, you might want to sort employees first by department alphabetically and then by salary from highest to lowest within each department. In the GIF, we demonstrate this custom sorting process, showing you how you can sort by department and then by salary within each department. The result is a neatly organized spreadsheet with employees sorted by department and then by salary within each department. This makes it easier to analyze the data and draw insights. I guess now we can move on to filters.
Filters are a powerful way to focus on specific part of your dataset. They allow you to view only the information that's relevant to you, making data analysis more efficient. To apply a filter, just choose the data range and click on filter option on the top bar. For example, you might want to filter the employees to see those in the IT, finance, marketing department with salaries greater than 70,000. This GIF shows how to apply these filters, including naming and saving the filter for future use and setting it as a document level filter as well. So this filter view displays only the employees from a specific department with salaries greater than 70,000. Filters help you to zero in on your data that matters most to you. So now we are done with filters. Balaji, let's talk about data validation now.
Yes. Data validation ensures that the data entered into a spreadsheet meets specific criteria. This is crucial for maintaining data accuracy and consistency. To create a data validation rule, select the range you want to validate, go to the data menu and click data validation and then click on create validation. For instance, if you want to ensure that the price column only accepts values greater than 0, you can set the criteria accordingly. The GIF demonstrates this process, showing you how to set the validation criteria for the price column. With this validation in place, the price column will only accept values greater than 0. This helps you prevent data entry errors and ensures your data remains accurate. Click on create validation, and from criteria, I'm choosing whole number. And from here, I'm choosing it's greater than 0. From here, I'll be also able to modify the help text as well. That's how the data validation process is done. Rohit, I guess we'll also have to explore about Zia.
Zia is our in-house Zoho AI assistant, can help you refine your data effortlessly. It provides intelligent suggestions based on your dataset, saving your time and effort. To use Zia, click on the Zia icon on the top right and select Refine. Based on the Zia's suggestions, you can refine the data in much more meaningful way. For example, Zia might suggest filling in missing values in a sales tracker sheet. In this GIF that you see here, Zia suggests filling a missing value with a default value of 40. This is just one way Zia can streamline your data refinement process. With Zia Insights, you can quickly and easily refine your data, reducing manual work and improving the accuracy of the data that you're working on. So this concludes our section on data cleaning and validation. So far, we have covered the essential steps to clean and validate data in Zoho Sheet. We have demonstrated how to fix data inconsistencies, remove duplicates, and fill missing values, ensuring data is accurate and complete. We also explored how to sort and custom sort your data for better organization. And lastly, we saw how to apply filters to focus on specific information.
Additionally, we showed how to set up data validation to maintain the data integrity and use conditional formatting to highlight key data points. Lastly, we introduced Zia, Zoho's AI assistant, which can help you refine your data effortlessly by providing intelligent suggestions. And this concludes our first chapter on managing and cleaning your data. By implementing these steps, you can ensure your data is on top shape for analysis. Organized data is the foundation for any good analysis, allowing you to make informed decisions based on accurate information. Now that we have our data cleaned and validated, I'd like to introduce about data visualization. So, data visualization is a powerful tool that transforms your raw data into meaningful insights through visual representations. It allows you to quickly understand complex data sets, identify trends, and communicate information clearly and effectively. Would you like to give some insights about visualization, Rohit?
Balaji. In this chapter, we'll explore how various charting techniques available in Zoho Sheet, including conditional formatting, how to create and customize different types of charts, spark lines. Visualizing data not only makes it easier to comprehend, but also enables you to present your findings in much more engaging and impactful way.
Exactly. Whether you're creating a simple bar chart or a dynamic race chart, Zoho Sheet provides a range of options to help you visualize your data the way you like. So let's dive into the world of data visualization and discuss how to turn your data into insightful visuals.
Stay tuned as we guide you through the process of creating various charts and visualization techniques, helping you to present the data more effectively. Up next, we'll start with conditional formatting.
Yes. Conditional formatting allows you to visually highlight important data, making it easier to spot trends and outliers at a glance. Let's use the same sheet as before and apply conditional formatting to the stock column. Select a range of cells, go to the Format menu, and choose Conditional Formatting. From here, you can either choose your preferred option for conditional formatting. In this specific case, I'm setting it to customize it based on the icon set. The GIF shows you how to apply an icon set to the stock column, providing a visual representation of the data based on the condition set. The cells in the stock column will now be highlighted with the icon sets, making it easy to see which stocks meet your criteria. Zoho Sheet also supports classic formatting, color scales, and data bars, giving you plenty of these options to visualize your data. So you can see the stock column being selected, and from conditional formatting, I choose icon set, and from there, I'll be choosing customize. From under customize, I can validate and choose my preferred options, and then simply click on apply. So this gives me the list of icon sets.
Sure. Now that we have ensured our data is clean and well organized, let's move on to one of the most exciting aspects of Zoho Sheet, creating a chart. Charts are an excellent way to visualize your data. They help you to see patterns, trends, and outliers at a glance, making complex data easier to understand and analyze. Zoho Sheet offers a variety of chart types to suit your different data visualization needs.
Yes, let's start by creating a simple bar chart. To do, first select your data range and then go to Insert and choose the chart type. From there, you can select the type of chart you want to create. For example, we'll create a bar chart to represent the sales data by region. As you can see, the bar chart instantly transforms our sales data into a visual representation. Makes it easier to compare sales across different regions, but that's just the beginning. Zoho Sheet offers various other chart types, including line charts, pie charts, and area charts.
Yes, adding to that, each chart type serves different purpose. For example, a line chart are great for showing trends over time, while pie charts are useful for displaying parts of a whole. Area charts can highlight the magnitude of change over time, and scatter plot can show how relations between two variables works. Let's elaborate on a use case. Imagine you are a sales manager tracking monthly sales performance across different regions. A line chart can help you identify trends, such as which region consistently performs well or if there are any seasonal spikes in the sales.
Perfect, Rohit. And adding to that, using these visual tools, you can quickly gain insights and make data driven decisions. Charts make it easier to communicate your findings to stakeholders and support your business strategies with clear and visual evidence. Now that we have covered the basics of chart creation and benefits of different chart types, let's move on to another powerful visualization tool in Zoho Sheet, so which will be sparklines.
Yes. Sparklines are a miniature charts that fits right into your single cell. They provide a compact and immediate visual representation of data trends and variations. Creating a sparkline is very simple. First, select the cell where you want the sparkline to appear, then go to Insert and choose Sparkline. You'll be prompted to select the data range you want to visualize. Sparklines are particularly useful in dashboard creation or report generation where the space is limited. They allow you to embed a visual summary of data trends within the context of a data table, providing immediate insights without taking too much space. For example, if you're tracking daily sales over a month, you can use sparklines to quickly see the trend in the monthly sales. This just shows how a sparkline is created for monthly sales process.
Yes, as you can see, the sparkline gives a clear visual summary of daily sales trends directly within the cell. This can help you identify patterns such as increasing or decreasing sales without needing a full chart. Overall, sparklines enhance your ability to present data effectively and efficiently, making them an invaluable tool for quick data visualization and analysis. Now that we have covered the basics of creating and using charts, conditional formatting, and sparklines in Zoho Sheet, let's summarize what we have learned in this section and then introduce our next topic, which is data analysis.
Meanwhile, to summarize data visualization with charts and sparklines in Zoho Sheet enables you to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Charts provide a powerful way to visualize complex data, revealing trends and patterns that are not immediately apparent in raw data. Sparklines offer a compact and efficient way to visualize data trends within individual cells, perfect for dashboard and reports. These tools not only make it easier to understand your data, but also helps in communicating your findings effectively to stakeholders. With these insights, you can make informed decisions that drive business to success.
Yes, Rohit. Now let's move on to our next topic, data analysis. And in this chapter, we'll explore how to perform in-depth data analysis of your data and to gain actionable insights. We'll cover powerful features like pivot tables and Zoho's AI assistant, Zia, which provides intelligent suggestions and helps you refine your data. We'll start by looking at pivot tables, which allow you to summarize and analyze large data sets in a flexible and interactive way. After that, we'll see how Zia can assist you with advanced data analysis, including formatting suggestions, charts, pivots, and answering your data-related questions. We'll be diving into the world of data analysis, where we'll unlock the full potential of your data and uncover the insights that can drive your business forward. Let's get started with pivot tables and see how they can transform your data analysis process.
Pivot tables are an essential feature in Zoho Sheet for summarizing, analyzing, exploring, and presenting your data in much more effective manner. They allow you to transform large data sets into meaningful summaries and insights with just few clicks. Creating a pivot table in Zoho Sheet is straightforward. First, select the data range you want to analyze, then go to Data on the top bar and select Pivot Table. A new sheet will open with blank pivot layout. From here, you can drag and drop fields into rows, columns, values, and filter areas to build your pivot table. Look at the specific use case, analyzing sales data by employees, department, and the quarter of the year.
Yes. In this specific use case, we'll drag employee into the rows area, department into the columns area, and sales into the values area. By doing this, we create a comprehensive view of sales performance broken down by employee, department, and quarter. This allows you to quickly see which employees are top performers, which departments are excelling, and how sales vary across different quarters. The benefits of using pivot tables for data analysis are immense. They provide flexibility on how you view and analyze your data, allowing you to identify trends, patterns, and outliers. With pivot tables, you can easily summarize large data sets and gain actionable insights.
So, pivot tables are not only powerful but also interactive. You can adjust your data fields, apply filters, sort your results dynamically, making it a versatile tool for any data analysis process. Now that we have explored pivot table, let's move on to slices, Balaji.
Sure. So Slicer is a new feature that has been introduced into Zoho Sheet, which enhances your pivot table experience. Slicers are visual filters that allow you to quickly and easily filter data from one or more associated pivot tables. They provide a more intuitive and interactive way to filter data compared to traditional filters. A slicer shows the data of selected fields in the form of buttons. Each button represents a unique value from the field, and you can select or deselect items by clicking on these buttons. When a button is selected, it will be in an active state, and if it's deselected, it will be inactive. And when an item is not filtered, the button will be partially active state.
So now see how to add a slicer to your pivot table. It's very simple and straightforward. So here's how we can do it. Go to the data, pivot table, and you'll have add slicer button. Alternatively, you can also right click on the pivot table and select add slicer from the contextual menu. Choose the preferred data field from the list and click OK. One of the major advantages of using slicer is the ability to filter the data in multiple pivot tables simultaneously. While traditional filters only affect the selected pivot table, slicer can synchronize filter across all associated pivot table at once.
Yes, Rohit. So let me give you a detailed live demo for this as well. So this is a live sheet that I have in place. I have a subsheet which is called sales by quartile. You can see that I've already inserted a pivot table. So let me show you how it is done again. So I select the data, go to data button, and go to pivot table. From here, all I have to do is just click on create pivot table. So it asks me where I want to insert my pivot table. So I can either choose a different sheet or choose the existing sheet. In this specific use case, I'm selecting existing sheet, and my preferred location would be B15, and I click on OK. All I have to do is just choose the filters as per my use case. So here I'm choosing the row should be department, the column should be quarter, and the data should be sum of sales. That's it. The pivot table is inserted. And if I'm looking to insert a slicer for this specific pivot table, all I have to do is just click on customize. And from on the bottom, you can see it says add slicer. Let's say if I want to filter it based on the department, all I have to do is just click on department and then click on OK. You can see the slicer has been added in. So if I want to filter it just based on one department, I just choose IT. And if I want it to be on sales, I click on sales. But let's say if I want to filter it based on multiple departments, I have to choose the multi-select option, click on the departments of my preference. Cleaning up your filter is another simple way. All I have to do is just click on clear filter. Start simple. This interactive filtering capability makes slicers a powerful tool for dynamic data analysis, saving you time and providing a clear visual way to manage your data. With slicers, you can enhance the interactivity and efficiency of your data analysis, making it easier to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Now we'll move on to Zia's insights on how it can help analyzing your data. We'll also follow up with a live demo of Zia as well. So as mentioned, Zia is Zoho's AI-powered assistant designed to help you analyze your data effortlessly. And with Zia, you can get recommended charts, pivot tables, and insights about your data. You can also ask data-related questions and receive instant answers. To get insights from Zia, you can start by selecting the desired data range, then go to the Zia icon in the right pane and click on Insights. Zia will analyze your data and provide various recommendations.
So as you scroll to the Zia pane, you will see variety of search charts and pivot tables. To insert any of this recommendation into your spreadsheet, simply click the plus icon button on the top right corner, or you can even drag and drop them right into your sheet. Zia also allows you to ask data-related questions directly. You can use the Ask Zia field to type your question, or click on the mic icon from the Sheet mobile application to speak directly to the Zia. Zia will generate an answer based on your data and provide an immediate insight. For instance, if you want to know what are the total sales for the quarter 1, just ask Zia and it will quickly provide the answer based on the data in your sheet. This feature saves time and enhances your ability to make data-driven decisions in much more quicker way. Zia capabilities extend from basic calculation to complex data analysis. Whether you need simple mathematical computation or a irate data analysis using advanced formula, Zia can handle it well. Plus, Zia can transfer these calculations directly to your sheet, automating your data analysis process in much more efficient way.
Perfectly put, Rohit. Let me just quickly show you how it is done on this live data. Let's consider the sales data or the product info one. What I have to do is just select my data. On the top right corner, you see the Zia button. I just simply click on it and the insights pop up. So you can see charts created, and if I need to modify the type of chart, I can just simply do it from here. And if I want to insert it into the spreadsheet, all I have to do is just click on the plus sign. It gets inserted. So additionally, you can see pivot tables added and additional insights as well. So you can see that from my insights here, so these are 2 different categories. Total price across the category is 1.62K. So all this is automatically generated. You can see that based on the scrolling, you can get the complete insights. So another useful insight here is that there are 2 different categories. The lowest average stock is 50, which is electronics, and the highest average stock is 175, which is accessories, and the difference is 250. So all this is done by Zia directly. And if I want to ask any questions, I can do that directly from here. And if I would like to ask questions via a microphone, even that can be done directly from this option. It's that simple. So additionally, Zia can help you find data correlations and trends. It can help identify instant and accurate correlations between different data sets and generate the appropriate formulas. Zia also helps you to track trends and analyze them further with relevant and easy to interpret charts. With Zia, analyzing your data becomes more intuitive and efficient. It leverages AI to offer intelligent insights, helping you understand your data better and make informed decisions.
So now that we have come to end of our webinar, to wrap up the session, we have covered 3 main areas: data cleaning, data validation, and data visualization in Zoho Sheet. We demonstrated how to clean your data by fixing inconsistencies, how to remove duplicates, and how to fill the missing values in your sheet. We also showed how to sort, custom sort, and filter data in much more effective way.
Yes, and then we moved on to data validation, where I explained how to set criteria to maintain data integrity. We also covered conditional formatting to highlight key data points. After that, we dived into data visualization, exploring how to create various charts and sparklines to represent your data visually.
In the last section, we introduced pivot tables for in-depth data analysis and Zia Zoho AI Assistant for getting intelligent insights and recommendation. And we hope this webinar has provided you with valuable insights into using Zoho Sheets for data management analysis. Remember, we host webinar every 3rd Thursday of the month, so stay tuned for more advanced tips and techniques in our upcoming webinars.
And as mentioned initially, this is a 3-part webinar. We encourage you to join our next webinar as well to learn more about the advanced features of Zoho Sheet. And remember, if you need any further assistance, you can reach out to us through multiple channels. Our phone lines are open 24/5 for support, and you can find the contact numbers on our website.
In addition to that, we also offer a live chat option available 24/7. Just visit zoho.com/workdrive, click on the chat icon on the right bottom corner, and connect with our support agent in an instant. And if you prefer email, you can also reach out at our support email address for any queries. Thank you everyone for taking the time to attend this webinar. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in our future webinars. Have a great day.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy data managing with Zoho Sheet.